Hi guys and welcome to Creative Art Nest. Today I made this cute little paper doll. I actually converted myself into a paper doll and it turned out so cute. Here I started off with the sketching. I sketched the body, the arms and the face of the doll. After the sketching is done, here I started coloring into the pieces and it was so fun. Coloring here was a little hard part, but when I added the details, it turned out so good. Here I was adding the details to the face, which added the character to this piece, and it turned out amazing. Here I'm coloring the body piece, and after this, the hard part is over. Now we're done with the parts and now we will carefully cut the pieces. Now we need 2 circles and 1 rectangular paper and we will roll this paper and glue it. Here I need to make 2 holes in these 2 pieces so that we can add our paper roll into this, and we need to attach this paper roll at the back of the face. So as you can see, I've attached everything together here, and you need to make a bigger hole into the last pieces so that they can move freely. And here's the end result, guys. Tell me in the comments what should I create next, and don't forget to like, subscribe and join to the Creative Art Nest family, guys. Bye bye, see you in the next one.